Hello everyone, my name is Jay and today I'll be walking you through our solution for the Microsoft AI for Accessibility Hackathon 2020. Our focus in the problem statement revolves around how we can use AI to create better video conferencing experience for individuals in two target categories. Firstly, those with visual impairment, and secondly, people which are suffering from social emotional agnosia. So let's get started. The reason why we choose this problem statement is because it's really hard for disabled people, be it visual impairment or social emotional agnosia, in which individuals are not able to read others' emotions and facial expressions properly, suffer a lot, especially in the time of this pandemic where every engagement is made virtual. It especially hits hard on individuals who appear for job interviews and screening processes, where it is crucial to read the other interviewer's emotions and expressions properly. With those kind of disabilities, they are unable to comprehend, and as a result, they are unable to perform to their full potential in such hiring processes. For example, let's consider we are in a Teams meeting. Now, I ask you to guess the facial expressions of this person in the call. It's really hard, right? We can say that she is happy or sad, but we are not sure. This is exactly what happens when a visually disabled person gets on a call and they miss out a lot of these things in these meetings due to their disabilities. Now, this is what most people see, a clear picture of what is happening in the call. Now we can confirm that the individual in this meeting is indeed smiling. Moving towards our solution, in a nutshell, it assists disabled people to comprehend others' emotions and facial expressions easily. In this meeting, although the disabled person cannot see the video properly, but from their perspective, at least they can tell that the green box around the face and the happy emoji on the bottom side that she is smiling and happy at this point of time in the call. And again, as we can see here, from a non-disabled point of view, the individual is assisted by two features here. Firstly, there is a box around the person's face that changes its color based on the facial expressions. For example, in this case, the person is happy, so they see a green colored box. Secondly, an emoji is present at the bottom bar to indicate the emotion. With this being just a prototype, we can substitute the emoji by a lot of other things. For example, a green colored bar for easy visibility, or some kind of vibration or haptic feedback, or even a soft sound feedback to indicate the person's emotion. With that said, we introduce expression mode, a feature in Microsoft Teams that once enabled will enable all such visually disabled individuals for a better video conferencing experience. This mode solves the real-life problem by providing a real-time sentiment analysis based on facial expressions using Microsoft Azure. The sentiment is indicated by a colored box created around the face and a supporting emoji at the bottom bar. The color of the bar is intuitively designed to communicate the emotion of the person. For example, in this case, we can see that the person is happy, so we see a green colored box and a happy emoji. In this case, the person is angry, so we see a red colored box and a red colored emoji. And similarly, when a person is surprised, then we see a blue box and a surprised emoji. So now, let's jump to a demo. Here we see a live Teams meeting between 4 people and how our solution is able to capture the expressions of all the people in the meeting in real time. The visually disabled person can now easily comprehend others' emotions when they turn on our expression mode. So now let's take a specific example of a job interview taking place over a Teams call. Even though the interviewee is visually disabled, they are still able to view the emotions of the interviewer very clearly and easily in this Teams call. With that demo, we'll go a bit in depth about the working of our solution. We have created an intelligent automatic pipeline that integrates within Teams as an extension. For the first step, the video of every individual is captured from Microsoft Teams and sent frame by frame to Microsoft Azure. The machine learning enabled APIs in Azure automatically detect the person's face as well as their facial emotions and then finally display it within Teams. Once the sentiment is detected, It is sent back to the pipeline and integrated and displayed in a user-friendly manner to the participant. Moving away from the technical aspects, we have concluded that our solution hopefully will be able to improve the lives of many people as we move forward and will involve many beneficiaries. Firstly, it will add to the existing excellent accessibility features of Microsoft Teams, such as live captioning, high contrast mode, and screen readers. Our expression mode will supplement these features and take Teams to the next level in terms of video conferencing and a hub for teamwork. It will assist everyone, be it visual impairment, disorder, or temporary disability, as organizations continue to swiftly adapt Microsoft Teams as a critical tool for their functioning. And lastly, it will help everyone for a smoother experience and reduce cognitive load involved in video conferencing. With that said, we have come to the end of this presentation. Last but not the least, what we covered in this presentation was a brief overview. For an in-depth review of our solution, please refer to the mission canvas, which was submitted individually as well to the Microsoft AI for Accessibility Hackathon website. Thank you.